Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Boris Elementary School in Fresno, California, home of the Chargers, and this is part of the Clovis Unified School District. It's such an honor to be back here again. I've been here multiple times over the years. It was my first school ever here in California, so always love coming back here. It's got a special place in my heart. I'm in their main school lobby right now. We had 2 assemblies again today. The main focus was on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose, which definitely ties into the Chargers being bold. The L, part of the BOLD acronym, says leading the way, right? And when we're talking about leadership, there's so many ways to be a leader. Some of us are more vocal leaders, loud leaders like myself. I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet leaders, right? We lead by example. We lead through our actions. There's no wrong way to lead or right way to lead as long as we truly are choosing to lead in a positive way, right? And so basically, the main focus today was saying, hey, once you identify yourself as a leader, which all of us are and have the potential to be, then we want to take it up a level and turn any passion that we have into our purpose, right? So if we love doing certain things that are heavy on our heart, that have that fire burning in our belly, right, that just bring us life, like for me it's speaking, and I turn my love for music and hip hop and working with youth into my greater purpose, which is now helping others through school assemblies, right? But so many students can do that too. All of us, whatever we love doing, whether it's sports, singing, dancing, reading, writing, drawing, we can always use those talents to hopefully, help others, right? And to have the wheels already start turning at a young age about what is our true purpose and our true passion, that's huge. And so encouraging that so many of them, came up to me and said, Mr. Peace, I want to be like you when I grow up. I said, hey, you're already being like me if you just share your heart, if you choose to be a leader, and sometimes, yes, we stumble. We have things in our life that are tough that make it difficult to still maintain that positivity and still, put people first and things second, to not just do things for the trophy. But once we start really thinking about our legacy, what you want to be remembered for, which is hopefully like someone's helping hands, like a bowling ball that we talked about too, someone with strong character that's not really affected by the peer pressure, that has the courage to stand up for what's right and do what's right even when no one's watching, when no one's looking. Now we can really truly step into our purpose. Like Mark Twain said, the 2 most important days in your life, the day that you're born and the day that you find out why. And part of our why are all the people in our lives, right here at this school, in our lives at this moment in time in history for a reason. And that's for us to help each other. That we're gonna go through some storms, but those have to happen sometimes for the rainbows to appear. And as long as we keep that at the center point of who we are, we know that even one small action can make a huge, huge difference, right? And when we know that all of us are miracles, how special each of us are, we know that we can be amazing leaders that this world truly needs, right? Tie into the miracle concept that I share in all my assemblies, but we all have with the lines on our hand, the letter M. I trace one of mine again here, like the front of my shirt. It says M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. We're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. But for those that don't believe that, need a reminder, need to be retold, hopefully we can be that light to their heart, right? We can shine that heart like the shining star song that we talked about and be the leader that this planet truly needs. So thank you so much for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.